Good morning, YouTube. What we're doing today is we're going to make a sign. This is Cut 2D by Vectric. Now the first thing we want to do is set the size. I have chosen 9.5, 9 inches wide by 5 inches tall because I'll probably be making this out of a 1x6. I'll probably cut a 1/4 inch off each. Okay, and thickness really doesn't matter because I'm not going through, so I'll just set it at 1/2 inch. I'll hit OK. I'm doing these signs for a vet. I've already put the verse on here. Highlight it. Come down here to Align Objects, center it, and the font I've chosen is Gesture. I can also choose I can put any kind of font I want in here. I've had it loaded on my machine. I can do it. It's in the console. I think everybody has that one. Hit apply. Then you center it. Fabric guideline. Come in about 1 inch on each side. I like that. Bring it over just a bit. And you can add graphics. In the second layer I have throw balls. See? And you can highlight them. Hold shift down. Click on line and it puts them both in a bounding box. And you can use your arrow keys. I usually like to go up just a little bit. And let's take this whole thing up just a little bit. I'm going to go right down there and grab the paws. Take them up a hair. Boom. Okay. On the text, we're going to want to pocket it out. You choose your pocket toolpath. I want to come down about 0.08. And I want to use a 22-degree profile bit. It's in my highlight that. And you calculate. That's how it's going to look. Now, the neat thing about this is you can preview what's going to happen, how it's going to look. There you go. That's how it's going to route up. Okay, now we go, we got our pocket. Now we close that. Go back to our other screen. You don't want to be able to turn the layer off. You want your paws layer on. Hold shift. Highlight that one. Now what we're going to want to do here is a profile cut. That's going to cut on the line. It's not going to hollow out. It's going to leave wood inside. What you want to do, you want to have that. I'll have that on the line. Don't want to separate it. Don't want to add tabs because I'm not going through. So what I do, I want 22 to get the same bit, a little deeper. 0.08. Okay. And then arrow will calculate. And that's how it's done. Now we'll see what that looks like. It's left the wood, it's just cut on the outside of it. Check it out. That's how we're going to put text and graphics on it. Now, since I don't have a computer out in the shop and I really don't want to take my laptop out there, you can save it to a USB and just take that outside. That's the easiest way I've found to do it. What you do is you go over here to the toolpath list, highlight it, close this, come up here with this picture with disk. It says save toolpath. Save toolpath. Use your post processor drivers. CNC Piranha USB. That's what I have. Save toolpath. Then I have to go find my USB drive. I have it labeled that. This is guess. I'm gonna label this guess 5 because it's a 5" by 9" cut. The other one's 3.5" inch. I'll save that so I know it's different. Double check to make sure it's in there. It stayed. Yes, it's saved. Okay. Then I'll take my USB out to the shop, plug it in the machine, and it should do it for me. That's all I have time for this morning. Support our troops and thank a veteran for his service.